The gig economy. That's our topic for today. But first, hello from the past. We normally do this Monday through Friday live on YouTube, where we talk about voiceover and voiceover-related topics to help you grow and sustain your voiceover business. But as I'm talking right now, I'm actually on a plane to Dallas for the One Voice conference. But I wanted to still give you guys some content that you could consume while I'm gone. So I'm glad you're here. And once again, welcome. My name is Mike Hathcote. I'm a full-time voice talent and voiceover coach. And today I want to talk about the gig economy. And the gig economy is kind of a newer term or newish term, talking about basically freelance workers, people who go out and they try to, they go from gig to gig to gig, and that's how they earn a living. That's the gig economy, which is so prevalent right now. So many people are doing that, whether it's, people who drive for Uber or do voiceover or freelance photography or whatever the case may be. That's what gig economy means. It means you're going from job to job to job. You don't have a steady paycheck. And you have to be comfortable with not having a steady paycheck. So you have to be comfortable with uncertainty in this business, because most people are used to working a regular job where you can count on the amount of money you're going to get every pay period or whatever. And this is not that. Unless you are, under contract with a TV station or a radio station or something like that, where you are getting a monthly stipend or whatever, like in TV affiliate, which, we had the TV affiliate boot camp recently. When you're under contract for someplace like that, then you can count on that revenue, at least for the term of the contract. But most of the time, we as voice actors are just going from job to job, gig to gig to gig. And once again, you have to become comfortable with that. If you're not comfortable with that uncertainty, then this may not be the right path for you. I'll just be honest. You have to be comfortable with that. You have to be comfortable with the possibility of going through dry spells, not having the same amount of money coming in, day in and day out, days or 2 or 3 or weeks sometimes. You have to be able to withstand that and plan ahead. So just keep that in mind. The gig economy is real. It's not for everyone. You have to be, comfortable with that prospect. I will say that at the beginning is much, more difficult. And then after a while, when you start to kind of develop some repeat clients and your marketing strategy is solid and you're, going in from day to day, that you are definitely going to see an increase. You'll start to be able to count, maybe not count on money, but start to see patterns and develop some clients who are going to come to you over and over again. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking about jumping into this full time. It is uncertain, but if you continue to do the right things and you build it up over time, you will see that even though it is uncertain, there will be, hopefully, that up and to the right trend of every day, maybe not being able to count on a certain amount of money, but at least every day it'll be consistent money coming in, and you can build upon that. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. I will say a reminder that Kayla Brick's class, the replay of Kayla Brick's Upwork class, is going to be available through tomorrow, Friday night. And it will be the the sale price until tomorrow at midnight. After that, it'll go onto the website at the retail price. So if you missed it on Tuesday, check it out. Link below. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow for another pre-recorded daily voiceover huddle. Until then, see ya.